Alright guys, this is Charlie Peterson here from Fishing for Giants TV. It is February 12th on a Friday, and tomorrow morning, me, two of my buddies, Aaron Wakowiak, Jack Clausen, and my dad, Jerome, will be heading up to Lake Mille Lacs for some jumbo perch and walleyes. Today in the preview of this video, I'm just going to show you some little tips and tricks that we like to use to catch our walleyes. 4 techniques, 4 setups. Pretty much what I'm going to show you right now real quick. You can skip ahead if you just want to get to us catching some fish, but if you want to see how we use our setups and what kind of setups we use to catch the fish that we catch, check this out right here. Alright, first up, we got your standard rattle wheel. By the way, we'll be fishing in a sleeper house, 18 by 20 feet, perfect for 4 people. Good time for rattle wheels. Rattle wheel fishing, here we got just your standard 35-pound, I think this is just like neon green, like little nylon rope kind of stuff. We got your number 6 Gamakatsu red hook, circle hook, great for walleyes, followed by a little glow bead. See that? Cool. Got our little split shot, followed by 6 foot of, I think this is 8-pound fluorocarbon. And we got this little bobber stop bobber thing. Works much better than a regular slip bobber because it has very little tension, great marker for you can set your depths quickly. Just all around great way to fish it. And for our lures for the trip, oh sorry, got the dead stick here too. This I got a little number 8 Gamakatsu circle glow hook. We got a little split shot. That's on my dead stick. Very sensitive, awesome dead stick. Okay. Now we got my Shimano Sienna 500 with a Wicked Ice medium heavy 24-inch rod. This is awesome for walleye fishing. Got our Rip and Wrap, perch colored, awesome for Lake Mille Lacs. Main forage for these walleyes, these perch. Lots of noise, be awesome for catching some walleye. Hopefully we can get a few on that. Next we got our little VMC Angler spoon. This is a green silver with a little bit of yellow. Gonna be awesome out there. Small, subtle, sensitive, nice hooks on there. I took these out, put these eagle claw hooks on here. A lot tougher, a lot sharper, a lot nicer. Then for our most subtle approach, this is mainly gonna be for some perch, but well, you know, walleye might hit this too. I don't even know what lure this is. I've had this forever, but let me tell you, this is killer. If you can find this lure here anywhere, it's got a little bitty treble, little bitty blade on it, if you can see that there. It's just gold with a little bit of yellow and orange. And it is just freaking killer. We're on Upper Red Lake, slayed some giant crappies. Big walleye too. Well, not big walleye, 20-inch walleye. It's nice walleyes. Good eating walleyes. And that pretty much sums it up for our gear for the trip. That's our setups that we're going to be using. So, enjoy. This is Fishing for Giants TV, signing out. Oh, it is a nicer one.
Yeah, boy.
That's a nice one. Oh, Jack! Grab him. This is the 3rd fish on that perch glow rip and wrap.
Our sponsor.
3rd fish. Yeah, we have no association with the company, but we do love the company.
That one we might get on the
measuring. Yeah.
No.
You okay there, buddy? See, Jack's struggling here. He usually has his dad take a fish off for him.
True. Yeah, me, him, yeah. Aaron's up there.
Yeah. Were you ripping it pretty hard?
You need a Larry light.
1 sec. There we go. Awesome. Awesome.
You grab players in this mattress. Yeah, you did.
Rip and wrap. That's all we've caught our fish on so far here on Mille Lacs.
And I'm just gonna show something. There is, if you can see,
engulf that.
Oh yeah. something else in there.
Really? What is it?
Little minnow or something.
Can you get it, Ian? He'll go.
Oh wait, did I?
No, you're good. Yeah, got it. There he goes.
He's trying to like freaking out.
This one kept going. Alright, they just moved through. My dad will get this one. Nicer fish. Got him?
Yep.
Got this one. Nice one on a rattle wheel. See what it is? Smaller?
Yeah, a little bit.
Smaller fish.
Oh.
Little walleye, nice.
Oh. Little walleye. Holy smokes.
That's a very small walleye.
It's alright.
Let me see him first. Hold him up, hold him up, Doug. Nice one. Alright, let him
Oh
go.
yeah, that's a nice one.
Nice 18, 19. Let him go.
Holy smokes.
Jack, grab him. Oh, this thing fell off me. Jack, grab the. God, go down. Jack. Jack just had rattle wheel hit set.
Got him.
Bigger?
Oh. Yeah, it's nicer.
Way bigger. Hey, you.
Oh yeah.
Look up.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it's like it's pulling hard.
Okay, guys, we got a.
Was the big shiner?
Yeah, this was a really big fish on we got right here, boys. Holy shit!
Oh.
Really big walleye. Get him up the
Holy
hole.
shit.
Remember, be careful, because we got.
Oh my god. Fucking grill that. We got the 24. Holy shit.
Oh my gosh,
oh my
boys.
god.
You got him, Jack?
Yeah. Oh.
Holy crap,
go.
boys. That's why you come to Mille Lacs, boys.
Big ass shiners.
Got him on the big shiner.
Right in the top of the mouth.
Holy shit. Alright, here, let me get the pliers out. That's picture worthy. Barely had him hooked. Let's measure him, Well, first hold him up, Jack. Look at that, boys. That's why you come to Mille Lacs. Awesome, on a huge shiner. Big 6-inch shiner. Set him on. Come on, boys. Let's see how big he is. No, hold up. 25-inch walleye. Hold him up again. You're back up a little bit. That's a beauty, guys.
Take a picture with my phone real quick.
Yeah, I will. That's an awesome fish.
Take a picture with my phone.
We're gonna take a quick picture. Here, I've got it with mine, Dad. I've got it. Alright. Alright, let's release him. I got good ones. Let's release him. That's why you come to Mille Lacs. They're still in here, boys. Let's get a good release. And he goes. Woo! Jack?